Something else that I want to review, also from Algebra 2, is called summation notation. It's also called sigma notation because this thing right here is the Greek letter sigma, capital sigma. And what sigma means mathematically is that we are adding them up, okay? So down here at the bottom, it's called the index of summation. I don't ever use that word. That's the lower limit, okay? And then up here is the upper limit. And then this, it's called the add-in, but whatever. It's the formula. So this is the formula we're plugging in. This is the first number you plug in, and you keep plugging in numbers until you get to 10. And then sigma means you add them all up. Okay, so you remember how to do this. Let me just show you. So what this is saying is we're going to start with 1, and we're going to plug in 1. So we get 4, we're going to plug in 1, and we get 5. And then we're going to plug in 2. And oops, that was an equal sign, sorry. And then we're going to plug in 3. And then we're going to plug in 4. So these are all the terms, and then sigma means we're going to add them up. So 44, I hope, is the answer. Okay. All right, the next one, this does not look as fun. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to plug in 0, 1 over 0 factorial. I'm just going to leave it that way. Then we're going to plug in 1, 1 over 1 factorial, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and you're going to keep plugging in numbers until you get to 8, because that's the top. That's our upper limit. And then sigma means you're going to add, that was a plus sign in case you can't tell. You're going to add these up, plus, plus, plus. Now, this one clearly you would want a calculator for. I don't know if I wrote down the answer. I'm certainly not putting it into my calculator now. That's a lot of work. Nope, I didn't put it in there. So this is fine. You can leave it this way. No big deal. Yes, your calculator can do sequences as well. And so does Desmos. Let me start a different video and I will show you how to do this on Desmos.